Join me today as I go through all of the fitness options when it comes to living here in Hingham, Massachusetts. So whether you're into yoga, bar classes, spinning, strength training, CrossFit, etc., there is an option here for everyone. Now, the first thing when a lot of people move to a new town is trying to figure out what kind of gym they should join next. So I wanted to put this comprehensive list together and just give you a brief synopsis of all the options here in Hingham because there are a lot. Now, I will link all of these studios and websites below, so if you are interested in any of them, just go to the description. The links will be down there. And by the way, my name is Sean Murphy here with Living on the South Shore. And if you have any questions about Hingham in general or about the South Shore in general, don't hesitate to reach out. My contact info is in the description. You can text me, email me, or even get a phone call scheduled, or you can just comment below and I will answer whatever questions you might have. But without further ado, let's get into the options here in Hingham, Massachusetts. The first option we will talk about here are the yoga studios. Now, there are two main options. Number one is Blackbird Wellness. This just opened up a couple months ago as of the recording of this video, and they offer a variety of yoga classes, meditation sessions, and strength training as well. Now, they also have Saltwater Soul Sauna that's located within this facility. It's a different membership than just the Blackbird membership, but they have a fantastic sauna there, a cold plunge, etc. But Blackbird itself is an amazing location and they offer a wide range of classes, so definitely check it out. Next up is Krigsman Yoga here in Hingham. Now, they also just opened a second location in Scituate, but we're focused on Hingham, so we're gonna talk about that. And their location here is their flagship location. It's been open for a while now, but it has a cult following here in town. People love this spot. I've never been there, but I've heard unbelievable things about their yoga classes and just about how they have it all set up in the community that they have there as well. And the other thing about Krigsman is their widely known level of expertise when it comes to their instructors. They have some of the top instructors in the area. So definitely check both of these locations out if you're into yoga and you've just moved here and you're looking for a new yoga studio. Next up are bar and Pilates studios. And we're gonna talk about the three main options here in Hingham. Number one being Club Pilates in the Shipyard. Now, this just opened, so I don't know a ton about it. I know it's a chain, but people are saying great things. Now, Club Pilates is a boutique Pilates studio specializing in reformer fusion classes. And again, this is pretty new, so I don't know a lot about it. I haven't been there, but from what I hear, people love it and it's a great location in town. Next up is Pure Barre. Now, their classes and their workouts are inspired of a combination of yoga, ballet, and Pilates. But just like a lot of these other studios, I've heard great things. Now, I'm not a Pilates and yoga and or ballet type of guy, but Pure Barre is known for its fun, full body workout. So if this is something you're looking to do, definitely check this place out. And the last one here is the Barre Method in downtown Hingham. Now, they're very focused on proper form. They're very focused on slow movements and controlling what you're doing, but their highly trained instructors give you a very private, very personalized kind of workout. So again, if that's something you're looking to do, definitely check them out. Now, next up is the strength training and functional fitness realm, which is more of what I typically tend to do and where I have the most experience. First up is Mass Movement. Now, this place has a cult following here in Hingham. This used to be CrossFit Bear Cove, but now it's known as Mass Movement, and this place is fantastic. It's very much a community-driven type of place. They cover functional fitness and strength training, but their coaching is top-notch. Now, this is a class-based facility, so as you get a membership, all of these, type of workouts are all class-based, so you'll be looking to get into a class schedule here, but I can't say enough about this place and the people that lead the classes, the people that own the gym. It's a great facility and it's right near the Shipyard, making it a great spot in town. Next up is Momentum over by Derby Street. Now, they offer personal training, an open gym, small group classes, and they also have an ISOFIT there, which is a totally different way to work out. So if you're looking for something with a lot of options, this is your spot. And they even have a sauna here as well that you can sign up and use whenever you want. The owners and instructors here are fantastic. So if you're looking for a gym that has classes, but also has an open gym that also has a sauna, Momentum might be your spot. Now, the last two on this list that I'm gonna cover are more of your chain type of gyms that you're going to find all over the country. Number one being Orange Theory Fitness. Now, this is located right here in the Hingham Shipyard, and Orange Theory offers classes that are all built around heart rate-based training. So if you're looking for a very structured, very high energy kind of workout that is all class-based, Orange Theory is definitely your spot that you should go check it out. Now, last but not least is Planet Fitness. Now, this is just your classic Planet Fitness, but they have a great location here in Hingham. It's actually 2 doors down from Mass Movement that I mentioned before, but this is just your classic go pay $10 to $15 a month and get access to all of the equipment. So if you know what you're doing and you just want a spot that you can go work out at any time of day and do whatever you want to do and you already know what you're doing, Planet Fitness is your spot. So there you have it. There are a majority of the fitness options when it comes to Hingham, Massachusetts. Now, if I missed any of them or I missed your favorite one, make sure to put it down below in the comments. But which one are you most excited about? If you are moving or relocating here to Hingham, Massachusetts, which one are you gonna check out first? I wanna hear it, put it down below. But as always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. There's a ton of information on my channel here about the South Shore and about living here as well. But if you are looking to relocate, if you're looking to move to the South Shore or within the South Shore, let me know how I can help you. Give me any questions that you have. You can text me, you can call me, you can email me, or put it in the comments below. But as always, thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.